When you install artificial grass, there's a very high chance you'll have some leftover pieces. Very few projects, after all, have dimensions that mesh perfectly with the length and width of a roll of grass. So what should you do with that excess grass, better known as remnants? Get creative! Here are a few examples of what you can do with remnants. This customer used Spring Rye 65 remnants to replace a dying flower garden. This customer added a Diamond Cool 50 remnant to beautify an outdoor cooking area. Here we see a customer who took several Eco Olive 80 remnant pieces and used them for a trampoline area. This customer used Spring Rye 65 remnants to replace some pest-infested hedges along the back of the house. This customer is using Bluegrass Light remnants from his pool project as a decorative element in the concrete. If you're looking to buy brand new remnants, all Purchase Green stores carry them. We also have them available for purchase online, though you do need to go to the store to collect them. Got questions? Call, click, or visit. At Purchase Green, we're always happy, helpful, and happy to help.